Hello everyone, myself Pooja Ghosh and I am from Shiliguri Primary Teachers Training College and Shiliguri Tarai B.Ed College, a trainee from B.Ed 4th Sem, and my method is English. And today I am going to teach you all about the poetry, and it's a very interesting poetry because poetry we all know that it is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings, and this quote has been quoted by William Wordsworth, the famous poet of English literature was William Wordsworth. So the poem is all about what we see or what we feel in the nature that we see around us. It's all about that only. And we just when we look or when we see that all these things, we just give that words or our expressions, and we just wrote that. And it is all the feelings that we have. So today's poem is The Panther from West Bengal Board of Class 6. And the theme of the poem is all about the animal. Okay, the how the animals stay in a zoo, in the cage, when they have been kept in the sanctuary or the big national parks, right? So this poem, The Panther, has been written by Rainer Maria Rilke. So let us recite the poem first. It goes like this. His very glance from passing by the bars has grown into a dazed and vacant stare. It seems to him there are 1,000 bars, and out beyond those bars the empty air. The pat of his strong feet, that ceaseless sound of supple tread behind the iron bands, is like a dance of strength circling around, while in the circle stunned a great wheel stands. But there are times the pupils of his eyes dilate, the strong limbs stand alert apart, tense with the flood of visions that arise, only to sink and die within his heart. So this was the poem. So now let us discuss it one by one. There are 3 stanzas. Okay. The first stanza is saying about that his very glance from passing by the bars. We are talking about the panther. Panther is the animals that is a wild animal with a black color. That means the species of the tiger only. Its very glance from passing by the bars. That means the panther is very much tired, and it's just quick, or that means suppose this is a cage. Okay, suppose for example, and the panther is in that cage. So what happens when we put an animal in the cage? So he becomes very much tired. That means why to keep that in cage? Suppose if we put an human beings also into a one room and just lock that room, he will also become very much tired. So the panther was just passing by the bars. That means there was a bars in the cage. He was just very much tired and just passing this and that. That means someone this side and someone that side. Has grown into a dazed and vacant stare. That means he has very much confused and unable to think clearly. That means he is very much confused what to do and what not to do. He's just long and unfriendly look he is giving. That means what to do, how to go out from this cage. It seems to him there are 1,000 bars, and out beyond those bars the empty air. That means he is saying that that for him the cage are having 1,000 birds. That means that this type of lines, that means he's thinking that he seems that there are 1,000 birds, and out beyond those birds, that means outside the cage, there is an empty air. That means the fresh air is there outside the cage. So in the first stanza we got to know about the panther. He was in the cage and was just passing from this side and that side. He is very much tired, and he is very much tired, and he's not very good because he is in the cage, and for him he is thinking that there are 1,000 birds. That means there are thousands of the cage, and he's thinking to come out from that to take the fresh air. Now the second stanza. The pat of his strong feet, that ceaseless sound. What is a pat? That means he is having the foliage, right? That means the pat of his strong feet. That means this one. That means the downward of his feet. That means the leg. That ceaseless sound. Now ceaseless means endless without stopping. That means he is not stopping while walking. He is just walking and walking, and with that pause and with the feet's pat, that means the downward of the feet, he was just walking and walking like this, and it's making the sound. That means with no stopping of that walking. He's just walking and walking. A supple tread behind the iron bands. A supple tread means he just bending or able to bend easily. That means he wanted to bend the bars. He is walking like this, sometimes like this and sometimes like this, and wanted to bend the bars of the cage, but he could not, and he is just walking and walking. It's like a dance of strength circling around, while in the circle stunned a great wheel stands. Now, as he is just in a cage, he is just walking into that cage only. Now it seems to, it was seeming like this, that he is just like giving a circle. That means when we dance in a group or single, we just do like this a circle, right? And we just dancing into that, just doing making a circle around and around. So while in the circle, stunned a great wheel stands. Stunned means, that means very much surprised. That means he is just walking into the cage, and it making him the stunned, that means amazed, because he is into the cage and he wanted to come out from that cage. He is very much upset and very much tired and just walking. Because if we keep a human being also into a one room, he will become or she will become very much tired and exhausted, just working and sitting in that room only, not going outside from that room. No one is coming also, so it will, or he or she will also become very much exhausted, as the panther is feeling or was feeling at that time when he was in the cage. So this is how the animals feels, right? How this is how the animals feels into the cage when they've been kept in the zoo. When we go and watch them, we thought or we think that they are very much good, but no, they are not very much good into the cage. They are also feeling very much tired, because they are just walking into that, only sitting and sitting into that cage. So very much exhausted also. So in the second stanza, we got to know about that the panther was just walking with his strong feet, and the sound of that walking was just like with the feet of that paws. Okay. And it was just like a dance of strength circling around. That means someone is dancing. It was seeming like that he is dancing and he is just making a circle on circle. And while in that circle, stunned a great wheel stand. That means he is just very much shocked and amazed what to do and what not to do. The last stanza of the poem. But there are times the pupils of his eyes. The pupils means the circular black area in the center of the eye. As you can see in my eyes, there is a black color in the center, right? This one. This is the pupil. So there was the eyes of the panther. It was also having a black color, like this kind of the pupils in the panther. Dilate the strong limbs, stand alert apart. Dilate means here became wider or becoming wider, the strong limbs. Stand alert and apart. Alert means watchful. That means now his eyes are becoming very like this. It becomes like watchful. That means he is watching like this, because he is that, and he just need to do what is there and what is not there. Just making and saying like this. Tense with the flood of visions that arise, only to sink and die within his heart. Tense with the flood of visions, that means he could just vision, that means he could just dream that suppose one day I could go out or I could come out from these bars, right? And that arise and sink and die within his heart. But no, it's not true. And his own vision, it was just in his heart only. And the vision was just here, and it dies into that only. And within his heart, because he could not express his emotions to anyone, that please make me out or take me out from this cage. So he's very much upset, and this was the poem about the panther. That means we got to know about how the animals, how their lives are in the cage, right? When they have been kept in the cage in the zoo, how they feel. So this was all the feeling and emotions of the animals. So this was the poem The Panther.